Welcome back to the channel. Two travel hunters, still on the worst roads in Asia. Today we're going to Vientiane from Vang Vieng. And I'm hoping it's going to be a short ride. How are you, babe?
Very hoping so.
In 150 meters,
I'm not sure I can take all these bumps and potholes and...
It's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not good at all.
Not to take. But
take the next left.
it's saying 145 kilometres, which is probably our shortest day. But Satnav's telling us to go on the toll road, the motorway, which we can't go on apparently.
In 200 meters,
So it'll probably take longer than 3 hours that the Satnav's saying. If we could have gone on the motorway in a car, it's a 2-hour drive. And by bike, it's going to be longer. And the first bit, what did that guy say? The first bit's the worst.
Yeah, 25 kilometres.
First 25 kilometres is the worst. I know what lane these people are in. They're taking up their own lanes. So, hopefully, what's the time now? 9:45. It'd be nice if we're there by 2 o'clock. Any earlier would be a result. These guys got pedals on that. I can do this. Might have a walk. Oh, mate. In this way. What's that? I don't think so. Look how deep it is. Look. Look. Through here. I think you'd have to get off and walk, baby. I think you can walk through that. I'm not going to clear that. I can see the bumps. And I'm not going to clear that. I don't know. I can try and ride through it, but I'm looking at the well, we can try and go this way. Right. You seem pretty intent on not getting off.
No.
No, that's all right. Ugh, for some fucking puddle. Fucking hell.
Hold the bike so I can get off. Just that before where you stopped, I couldn't get off there.
Đi viết người ta đi viết người. Ừ. Rồi à.
You like? Vientiane? Taxi? You come from Boxe? Boxe?
Ulang Pha Bang.
Luang Prabang, Vang Vieng,
Vientiane. Taxi, Pakistan.
Boxe to Luang Prabang. Woo! Bad. Ah. Might be another bit round the corner. I don't know. Trying to get me all muddy. Good try. What's that?
I was like, good luck.
For him, he'd probably chuck through it. He's with a tractor. Yeah, he'd probably have no problem. That's probably what they were waiting for, him. Him to turn up, sort things out for him. First stop of the day, Amazon. Go and get a coffee. Hopefully a little snack. I'm starving. Someone told us on the way down here, after about 25 kilometres, the road gets better. Let me tell you, that ain't true. It wasn't until we was a good 80 kilometres in that the road actually got better, and it has got better for the last 10 kilometres or so. It's a lot better than it was. So just going to cool off, get out of the sun, hopefully get something to eat and a coffee before we get back on the road. Hey, chocolate cake with me. Red velvet cake with the ladies. That's cappuccino. Don't smash that. We've got another hour till Vientiane. Teely's found us a beautiful hotel. Something peaceful, wouldn't it, babe? Just now she's blanking me. She does this because she don't like what she's hearing. That's alright, I can deal with that. It just gives me some peace. Right, bye. I like that. You can't go wrong. Nobody's ever regretted saying that, right?
Destination is on the right.
Oh well. What's it called? Ah, perfect, peaceful hotel. on today's episode of Cribs. We're in Laos, Vientiane. Ta-da! It's better than the last place, isn't it? Certainly brighter, certainly bigger. Chair would be nice for my little work desk there. Massive bathroom. And then, look at this. Look at this. Outdoor space. Another dirty old town. Dirty old town. Look what I've got you, look, chocolate chip cookie, freebie. He said that's breakfast. I said, you do breakfast? He said, no, but I've got 3 cookies. It's alright, isn't it? And just round the corner here, it's like West End shopping. Not that we've got West End shopping money, we've got East End market money. What do you think of your new place? Yeah, you're happier? Was it worth the ride? And it was quite some ride, let me tell you. This was supposed to be the easiest ride since we've been here, and it probably was, but not by a lot. And only the last 70 kilometres of it out of 145, so probably half of it was bad and half of it was good, but the good bit was like a concrete road. It wasn't really good. It wasn't like smooth. It wasn't like smooth tarmac. It wasn't like smooth silk. Oh, we're here now, so
Most of it.
we're going to chill, have a shower, get changed, go and get a banh mi.
Stop eating today.
Not eating today.
Well, I
Yeah,
had cake.
yeah, and crisps. You've dined. Let's try and go, eh?
Everybody.
We're in Vientiane. Good
Vientiane.
morning from sunny Vientiane. And we've got to go to immigration because the bike permit expires today. So we need to go and see if we can extend it for 2 weeks. I don't know what'll happen if we can't. So hopefully it'll all go smooth. And then we can get on with the sightseeing. Teddy's got a full itinerary. What you got planned, babe?
Yep.
Just yet. She's being a bit coy. She's not telling us.
Everything planned. Don't worry.
She's not telling us what she's got planned. Can I go down here then?
Where are you going?
Well, it's telling me to do a left, isn't it?
Turn left onto Kubi Yulong Road, then turn right.
Oh my god.
Can you not go?
Trying to get me killed.
Well, I'll I'm with you. Is that not a sign to go? You've got to try and remember that we're on the right side of the road. It's another song, isn't it? On the right side of the road. It's enough of that. Fine. 300,000. About a tenner.
Oh wow, it's a lot.
That was exactly a tenner. It's a lot.
Yeah.
I didn't quibble it. I thought I'm in too much of a rush to be quibbling it. You must know, like £10 fine for jumping the traffic light is not what I call a lot. But what do you do? I could have probably taken a ticket and paid it later, and then had to go and find a wherever to pay it, a police station, and no, maybe I'll go straight down here. It's saying similar.
Yeah.
I know, but it's saying similar ETA straight down. So might as well go straight down. So that was it. Easy. Back on the road. Hopefully
It's not our fault. We've not seen traffic lights in about 2 weeks.
It could.
Don't know what they are.
It could even be longer because I don't know. Was there traffic lights in Chiang Mai? When we left Chiang Mai, there wasn't.
Yeah.
Ah, right. So maybe when it was at the Thai border. Oh, we did see one at the. It's going to rain now, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I went through the light, turned left, and there was a police box on the same junction. What do you expect? We had a slight technical hitch here. I don't really know what went wrong, but for some reason there's no audio for this bit of the video, so I'm going to narrate over the top. We just come out of the immigration office after being informed, one, that we can't get a 2-week extension for the bike. We can only get a 7-day extension, and that we would have to go to customs, we think. So now we're going to make our way to the customs office to try and get the extension. Look, go hit him. See that ladder, look. Going to drive up. Driving a lorry like he stole it. Yeah, good news. Spoke to a really helpful man in customs who's told us we need to go to a different customs office and we can get a 1-week extension, which would probably be enough. It'll have to do, won't it?
Yeah, we'll have to do, yeah.
So handy. By the time we get in and out of here and back to the hotel, go and have dinner, go home, packed, ready for the morning. No more. Oh, should we stay here for 4 nights? It's going to be quick. You seen it? Yep. Took a picture? Yep. Let's go. Back on the bike. It's going to be a bit of that, isn't it? A bit like carry on immigration, isn't it? We've been to immigration, then customs office. Then customs office said come to capital customs. Now capital customs say go to Laos Friendship Bridge 1, where you enter the country and they can do it. I get a sneaky feeling that they're trying to slowly get rid of us. They're just edging us nearer and nearer the border.
Taking my lipstick because my lips are even tired.
Next stop, Friendship Bridge 1.
Hopefully. We're on a different side. This must be the deportation side.
No, this is people entering the country. This is the car coming in. Yeah. That kind of makes sense. Check him out, look. Got my sticker. I'm official. Got another week. Thought we had 2, we now got 1. Got to make it to Paxi quickly. Got to go home, pack, kiss goodbye to Vientiane. We ain't got time, and because we've told immigration we're going to leave at Paxi. We have to make it to Paxi because they seem to be making a big deal of that. So 7 days, baby. We might even make it to 4,000 Islands for afternoon tea before we have to leave. Adios, Vientiane. Well, I'm pretty sure today wouldn't have been complete without a bit of rain. It's been one of them days, isn't it? Ah, look at this, look. We're so close to making it home without getting wet. Unbelievable. And now look at this. We're going to get absolutely soaked. No! Ah! man. Bit worried about the phone. Look. Chinese pork burger. Hot selling. Look like these. It's like a shredded pork in a pastry. She asked me if I want it spicy, and I want everything spicy, so I've said yes. So, look, it's like a stewed pork belly. Is that what's in it? Man, that looks lovely, that does. It's got some spring rolls as well. I've got my Chinese pork burger. Look, I'll show you that in a minute when I suck it in. Japanese. Where are you going? Are you going to eat it in here?
I was taking me back.
Ah, right. Japanese pork burger. Whatever that is. It's that spicy, that sauce. It is. It's like pastry instead of a bun. That's good. Scores highly.
Nice.
See the potatoes got up. They're not bad.
Sweet potato balls. Very nice. They're fried. It's like it's mashed and fried. Anyway.
Yeah, prawn rolls.
Yeah, got prawn spring roll. Yeah, vegetable spring roll.
Nice.